Elevate your style and redefine your look with these top-tier hairstyles that are sure to turn heads in 2024. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 5 of the most stylish and versatile hairstyles for guys, catering to a wide range of hair types, face shapes, and personal preferences. Whether you're seeking a classic and timeless style or craving a trendy and edgy look, we've got you covered. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because the style evolution begins now. 1. The buzz cut. A timeless and universally flattering style, the buzz cut is a low-maintenance option that exudes effortless confidence. Whether you opt for a short or medium buzz, this haircut is perfect for guys with a strong jawline and a desire for a clean, minimalist look. 2. The taper fade. A versatile and stylish option, the taper fade seamlessly blends shorter sides into longer top hair, creating a visually appealing contrast. This haircut is ideal for guys who want to add texture and definition to their style while maintaining a polished appearance. 3. The textured crop. For guys with thick or wavy hair, the textured crop offers a stylish and manageable option. This haircut involves layering and texturizing the top hair, creating a voluminous and effortless look. Pair it with a high fade or a tapered undercut for a modern and trendy vibe. 4. The side part. A classic and sophisticated style. The side part is a timeless choice for guys of all ages. This haircut involves parting the hair to one side, creating a clean and polished look that can be dressed up or down. For a modern twist, try a slightly deeper side part or add some subtle waves to the top hair. 5. The pompadour. A resurgence of a classic style, the pompadour is back in vogue, offering guys a touch of vintage glamour. This haircut involves sweeping the hair upwards and backwards, creating a voluminous and eye-catching look. For a more modern take, try a less voluminous pompadour with a looser, textured finish. Additional tips for choosing the right hairstyle. Asterisk, consider your face shape. Certain hairstyles are more flattering for specific face shapes. For instance, oval-shaped faces can pull off most styles, while round faces may benefit from hairstyles that add length and angles. Asterisk, match your hair type. Different hairstyles are better suited for various hair types. Fine or thin hair can benefit from haircuts that add volume, while thick or wavy hair may require more structured styles to manage its texture. Asterisk, reflect your personal style. Choose a hairstyle that aligns with your overall style and preferences. Whether you prefer a classic or trendy look, there's a hairstyle out there that perfectly complements your individuality. With these top-tier hairstyles and styling tips, you're well on your way to upgrading your look and exuding confidence in 2024. Remember, the right hairstyle can make a significant impact on your overall appearance and self-perception. So embrace the power of hair and elevate your style to new heights.